The People versus Caroline Spencer. The defendant is charged with violations of the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, including the following.
Your Honor, waive reading.
No objection.
Very well. Ms. Spencer, do you understand the charges against you?
Your Honor, motion to dismiss.
All right, counselor, let's hear it.
The people have not shared with the defense the evidence they claim to have, which supports their allegation. Said evidence, consisting of no eyewitness testimony and only one audio recording made by a FBI informant who the Department of Justice refuses to identify.
What do you think that's about?
Ms. Spencer,
I guess we're about to
whose
find
adult
out.
children are here in the courtroom and who is also custodial parent to an 8-year-old daughter, is a long-standing pillar of the community. Ms. Spencer finds these charges so lacking in merit that she voluntarily turned herself in to Agent Cates in her place of business, hoping to get this whole thing over with. Your Honor, this case reeks of malicious prosecution, and we hope that the court will see it for what it is. Thank you.
Counselor, it is always a pleasure to hear you argue a motion. Attorney Wilcox, you're up. Would you like to respond to defense counsel's motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The people do not oppose the defense's motion to dismiss.
What does that mean?
Just to make sure I heard you correctly, the people agreed to dismiss all charges against Ms. Spencer?
No, they do not. What the hell? And who the hell are you?
I am the presiding judge. I will ask the questions here. Who are you and what is your business here?
Begging the court's pardon, Your Honor, I'm Special Agent John Cates of the FBI. I brought the case before the U.S. Attorney's Office. What the hell are you doing?
My job, regardless of how impossible you're trying to make it.
Counsel, please approach. You too, Agent Cates.
Your Honor, with all due respect, the people have an ironclad case against the defendant.
Had a case, Your Honor. Ironclad? Who's to say? Because the one audio file on which the people's case is somehow entirely based is gone.
Gone? What do you mean?
I mean gone. The recording no longer exists.
Your Honor, I have an official summary of the recording on my phone. That should hold you over until I can track down the actual recording.
Your Honor, I'm sure I don't need to remind the court in this day of deep fake recordings, evidence is not evidence unless there's a chain of custody.
There is a chain of custody. What the real question is why the U.S. Attorney's Office is so incompetent that they can't track down evidence in the FBI's digital evidence vault. Maybe you should look for it.
We did look for it, Agent Cates. While the recording in question was nowhere to be found, what we did discover was that the last time the file was accessed was on June 10th of this year by you.
But I didn't.
Here were your credentials.
So, Mr. Wilcox, you have no evidence?
None, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Thank you, everyone.
What happened? Wait for it.
Mr. Wilcox, do the people wish to proceed?
No, Your Honor. The people are not moving forward with the case.
Well, then, case dismissed.